In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a workflow in Asana. First, open your project in Asana. Make sure your project is set up with sections like to, do, doing, and done. These sections represent the stages of your workflow. Now click Customize in the top right. Go to Rules to start building your workflow automation. Click Add Rule. Choose a trigger like when a task is added or moved to a section. Then choose an action. You can assign the task, add a comment, move it to another section, or set a due date. You can also add conditions to make the workflow more specific. Once everything is set, click Publish Rule. Now, your workflow will run automatically as tasks move through your project. You can edit or add more rules anytime to improve your workflow. That is how you create a workflow in Asana.